as most of you know by now, my name is Timothy Thrapp. I'm the spokesman for World Improvement through the Spirit Ministries, and we've been busy in the work of World Improvement for a long time, basically, a lot longer than most people would believe. But what we're focusing in on right now is the energy situation and getting clean energy out to the people. We're doing a fundraiser. We are planning with this fundraiser to get enough funds to mass produce. It won't take a lot. If everybody does a little, we'll have enough funds to mass produce and a factory that'll put out quantum energy devices that'll run your home, basically. So everybody pray about it. After you see this video, pray about it and do as the Lord's leading you to do. If He leads you to give $1, give $1. If He leads you to give $1,000, give $1,000. Whatever it is, the Lord's leading you to do. And the Lord will speak to your heart. And what we have here is an older style quantum energy device. This particular style was developed approximately 20 years ago by our ministry. And you'll see it working. Should I go through all the parts?
Yeah, go ahead and explain all the parts.
Okay. Basically, we'll start over here at one end, and this is a variable transformer to control the speed on the motor, the drive motor. And this is the standard drive motor. It's not been altered. It draws 7.4 amps at 90 volts. That's what it's rated. And so that gives you an idea. You can do the computation, see what the horsepower just on the motor, what it requires that motor to run properly.
And what's the little...
This is a diode bridge.
Okay.
And over here we have a variable transformer, diode bridge, motor, a belt that turns the pulleys that goes to the rotor of the main generator. We can see it turning, and you can even see through the window. You see the rotor turning in there.
Yep.
And you have the two main output coils, not the output coils. They're the main vibrating coils. We can call it that. And here's the capacitor bank here on the side. It's been shrunk down from the old capacitor bank. The old one we had was very, very durable, but it was very big, and people thought maybe there's batteries hidden in it or something. So we try to make this presentable where everybody can understand it, even the people that don't have much background in quantum engineering. And so a few of our volunteers did a beautiful job giving us a nice little capacitor bank here. And here's some of the electronics. There's more electronics in this blue box back here. And that's where the switch is on top of that blue box, but there's other stuff inside of it. And also there's electronics in this blue box, and again the switch is on top of the blue box. And then here's the load. And the load is a bunch of light bulbs that you'll get to see lit up. And the cord basically is set up where we start it with regular power with this yellow cord here, and then we can unplug it once it's working and quickly turn it back to run itself, and then light up the bulbs one at a time. This particular device, you have to take it up slowly and take it down slowly because of the way it's built. But they can be built to produce power immediately, large surges and so on. We originally had this one putting out 40 kW at one time, but today we'll demonstrate it at about 2 kW or 2.1, 2.2, somewhere in that range.
Okay, well let's go ahead and start it up.